In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your domain with Hubspot. Whether you're setting up a new website or restructuring an existing one, connecting your domain is a crucial step in establishing your online presence through Hubspot. Let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First, we need to navigate to the Hubspot homepage. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in hubspot.com. This website is the central hub for all your business tools and software needs. Once you're on the homepage, locate the Login button. It's usually situated at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will direct you to the login page where you can enter your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to proceed. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot home dashboard. This is your launchpad for accessing all the various features HubSpot offers. Look for the settings option. Typically, this is found in the main navigation panel on the left-hand side of your user interface. Clicking this option will open up a list of settings you can customize. In the settings menu, you need to find the content section. You might need to scroll through the list to locate it, but it's essential because this is where all your content management settings are housed. Once you've clicked into content, the next step is to click on domains and URLs. This section is specifically focused on managing your web domains and how they integrate with HubSpot services. Now that you're in the domains and URLs section, you'll want to look for the Connect a Domain button. HubSpot makes this process intuitive, and this button should be prominently displayed. Clicking it will bring up the next step, which is a prompt asking, what type of domain do you want to connect today? This is the point where you consider the type of domain you're connecting. Whether it's your primary domain, a secondary domain, or perhaps a redirect domain, it's crucial to have these details ready because the next steps will guide you through domain verification and connecting procedures specific to your chosen domain type. Throughout this process, HubSpot provides useful guidance and troubleshooting tips to ensure a seamless domain connection experience. Should you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to consult their extensive help section or reach out to their customer support for assistance. So there you have it, a straightforward guide to connecting your domain with HubSpot. By following these steps, you are one step closer to maximizing the potential of your website using HubSpot's powerful tools. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more informative tutorials and feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Thank you for watching and happy connecting.